So my academic background is really scientific. I'm a pharmacist and I also have a PhD. My professional background, I'm coming actually from the pharmaceutical industry. I've been working more than 12 years in both biotech and pharma to really develop an end-to-end experience in developing and bringing to the market, so really from R&D up to commercialization of innovative products, but also diagnostics and services. So I choose Solvay MBA first because really the school has a top reputation, and this is not new, this has been the case for years. But then also I joined the information sessions at Solvay and also at other schools. What I liked very much at Solvay was first the diversity in the candidates, so the different students that I was able to see around me were coming from very much different backgrounds, but also there was a gender diversity that was really important to me as well. But then it's also about the overall support that goes beyond the classes, with also the different coaches and the people who are really there to help you grow in your career. Then the professors, a mix of really academic professors, but also some with entrepreneurial or corporate background, coming from Belgium, but also from international countries. Then I liked very much actually the schedule that would really mean that I could do my MBA together with my job actually. And then finally also the size of the classes. I liked very much that it remained human. There are many things that I can tell my MBA allowed me to achieve from a professional point of view. First, honestly, it allowed me to be better at my job. I was doing more and more strategic projects in my work in the pharmaceutical industry, and I ended up with really developing the whole strategy and the business plan for a whole therapeutic area in the pharmaceutical industry. So that was already a great achievement. But then also it allowed me to actually envisage a senior commercial role, something I would never have achieved without this training, as I was really a scientist by background. And now I'm working in something completely different, actually helping startups in the healthcare and life science field to develop themselves. It also allowed me to actually give me the energy to do other stuff, other projects. And for example, I led an innovation project, really a kind of entrepreneurship, but inside the company with a small team, and we actually won an innovation award. So that's really more on the professional achievements. But also, I think that the MBA gives you much more than that. It also gives you really a network. Many people talk about it, but that's really the truth, both from actually your participants, your classmates, but also the professors, the coaches, all the people you're able to meet during this time. And it's not only a professional network, it's also friends actually that you develop. So the lessons from the Solvay MBA are definitely impacting my day-to-day job first, because I'm really much more in a business context than I was before the MBA. So every day I can remind myself of the fact that I'm here thanks to this MBA. But then also the way I'm working, how I'm prioritizing the different things I have to do, how I handle pressure, that's really coming out from the MBA. So if you're envisaging to do your MBA at Solvay, what I would really tell you is do it, jump in it, and really get the most of your energy to get the most of this MBA, because this is really demanding, exciting, and rewarding.